How to sign up for Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Facebook app. After you open up your Facebook app, you will see an option to create new account on the bottom. Tap on create new account. And after you do that, tap on get started to get started with the creation. After doing that, you will now need to type in your name and your surname. So just type it in and then tap on next. After you do that, simply choose your date of birth. Now make sure that you give your correct date of birth. And after you do that, tap on the next button. After you tap on the next button, simply choose your gender and then tap on next again. After you tap on next, you will need to use your mobile number, or you can sign up with your email address as well. I'll just tap on sign up with my email address to use my email. Now simply tap on the email address option and type in your email address. I'll just do that here. You can do that as well. And then tap on next. So now they will send me a mail for verification in my email address. So while that happens, you can create a password. After doing that, tap on next. And now you can save your login info for your device as well. I'll do OK and agree to the terms and conditions. Tap on I agree. And after you do that, your account will get created. So just create an account. I'll choose different account here and create a new account. This process might not be necessary for you guys, so you might not even see it. So yeah, after doing that, your Facebook creation will begin. It will start creating an account, and after it's done, you can just log in. So as I said, they will send you a login information. So just head over to your Google Mail, and after you're on your Google Mail, you'll have received an email about a verification code. All you have to do is just copy that code and simply paste it here. After doing that, tap on next. And after you tap on next, you will have created your account. Now you can just go through with your creation process, and there we go. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.